Hey, Zach Pack, welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. This is a 6-camera shootout. I've taken 6 devices, including the OnePlus 6T, the Apple iPhone XR, Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Google Pixel 3, the Razer Phone 2, and the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Now, the way that I conduct a camera test or camera comparison is a little bit different from other traditional tech tubers out there, where I treat the device just like, say, the average consumer would or the average user would. Basically, I take the phone out of my pocket, I launch the app, and I basically focus, I tap the screen, and I take the picture. I don't adjust white balance, I don't use any fancy filters, there's been no post-processing, nothing like that at all. I take the phone out of my pocket, tap for focus, take the photo, that's it, and move on. Now, some of these devices actually have what they call night sight or night modes. If they had that, I've also indicated that in some of the pictures as well. So what I want you guys to do is sit back, relax, watch this montage of photos. You be the decision maker. Which camera do you think is the best one out there? Which one do you think suits your needs? They're all so very, very close, but there might be little minute details here and there. Enjoy the montage. guys think? Which camera or which phone do you think took the best photos? I noticed that in some of them, the camera was really good, and other times it was kind of bad. So it kind of basically depended on the lighting situation, what was going on there. Some of the selfies were not obviously the best. Maybe it's because of the subject, I don't know. But let me know down in the comment section there which camera you thought was the best. Did you think it'd be this camera and it ended up being something else? Let me know and let's have a conversation. If you guys have enjoyed this content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Leave me a hashtag ZachPack down in the comment section there. You're a part of my ZachPack, and I'm glad you're here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.